Welcome to Life with Leo Food Channel for quick, easy to make, delicious dishes. I love a good sandwich, and today I'm going to share with you a sandwich that my grandfather used to make for me, a legit old school Italian Brooklyn tuna sandwich. Let's get started right now. Okay, for a proper Italian tuna sandwich, we have to start with garlic. I use 3 large cloves of raw garlic. Of course, you can adjust this any way you want. I found it easiest to slice them sideways and then keep it tight and just chop from there. Gives you nice small pieces with a lot of flavor. That looks and smells amazing. I use an unfiltered extra virgin olive oil, organic, that I get from Costco. And I use Italian tuna in a jar, 6.7 ounce, packed in olive oil. I do get this on Amazon in a 6-pack. I'll drop the link below. But you could use any Italian tuna. A mixing bowl, salt and pepper, and 1 to 2 lemons, depending how juicy and how lemony you like it. And of course the garlic. Now let's get to mixing. First, let's dump the tuna in. You'll see that the fillets are pretty whole, so we're going to have to break them up. So let's get it out with the olive oil. Boy, that looks good. I'm getting excited. Now we just start to break it up a little bit. Get that olive oil getting into all the smaller pieces. Keep the tuna nice and moist. Just break it down to the texture that you like. Now we want to shove our garlic in there, and I leave a little out just to sprinkle on top of the sandwich when I'm done. Okay, now let's mix the garlic in. Get it nice and evenly balanced. And now let's add some lemon. You could use a strainer here to catch the seeds, but I'm just going to use my hand. I'll start off with squeezing the full lemon in, and I make sure I get all that pulp. Once that's done, you check if it's moist enough for you. To me, I could use a little more olive oil here. So I'll add it for the exact consistency I want. I happen to like my sandwich nice and moist. This again is personal preference. Now you take a nice piece of Italian bread. I pop the bread in the toaster oven for a minute or so just to give it a little toasting, because I do like the crunch. And I drizzle a little more olive oil on the top and the bottom. Now we plate it and add the tuna. Once all the tuna is on it, I evenly spread it out to make sure the tuna is everywhere on the bread. Now I add the rest of my garlic, give it a little like garlic garnish. Now we add our salt and pepper. We're getting close. I'm actually starting to salivate looking at this. I put a little extra lemon on top. I use that 1/3 half. Now we use the flat side of the blade to hold all that goodness in so I can fold the sandwich. Oh God, look at that. So now it's just bursting with goodness. If you like any part of this video, please like and subscribe. I gotta go.